In today's video, we're going to be answering the most asked questions about the 55 times 5 method. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and everybody, even my subscribers, make sure you're clicking the bell, that way you'll never miss out on another law of attraction video. In today's video, we're going to be answering a bunch of questions that I got asked in my 55 times 5 video, which I will leave linked down below if you guys want to check that out. I explain everything about 55 times 5, how to do it, just basically what it is and how it works and all that. So if you want to know all of that, you can go in that video. I'm going to be answering a bunch of questions that I wrote down that I feel like it's really important for people to know the answers to these questions. The first question is, can I write multiple intentions or just one intention? When you sit down to do the 55 times 5 method, you want to focus on one thing at a time. So when you're writing something down 55 times, you want to make sure that you're just focusing on one thing. But when you're done writing that one thing 55 times, you can definitely jump over and start another intention and write that 55 times too. Question number 2, can I manifest for others? And how would I write affirmations for someone else? Yes, you can manifest for others. In a lot of cases, I think that this works a lot faster too, because you're not so attached to the outcome. But how would you write an affirmation for someone else? So say you want to attract good health for someone else. You would write something like, Sally is so healthy, her body and her weight is in a healthy state. Say if somebody has asthma, you would write, Sally has clear, normal breathing, Sally's breathing is healthy, Sally's sinuses are cleared up, like things like that. You want to write the outcome of what you want in the present tense. Basically, that's your affirmation right there, is the outcome, but you're just writing it as if it's already happened. So if you want somebody to not be sick anymore, you would write, Bob is healthy, Bob's body is healthy, Bob's hair is healthy, Bob's hair is healthy and long. Like, you want to write in present tense what you want to attract for someone else. Okay, the third question is, how do I write affirmations? So this is a big one that I get. Affirmations, like I just said, is basically you're just writing what you want to happen, but as if it's already happened. So say I got a question asked about how to manifest clear skin. So what you would write is, my skin is so clear and flawless and smooth. My skin looks so healthy and glowing. Things like that. Like, what do you want your skin to look like? And then you write that down. I also get a lot of questions asked about money and finance, which stay tuned, because I have a video coming up on how to use the 55 times 5 method for money. And then I also have how to use the 55 times 5 method for love. So those two videos are coming out soon. But how would you write an affirmation for finance or money? You would write how much money you want. I have blah 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 amount of money and it makes me so happy. I am so thankful and relieved that this amount of money is in my bank account. I am so grateful that I have the money to pay all my bills. Like, you want to write things like that. I got another question asked about weight loss. This is one that is pretty easy. What you would do is keep the number like weight you want yourself to be in your head, and then write that down. I am so thankful and happy that I weigh 115 pounds. And you can just write that 55 times. Question number 4, what do I do with the paper that I write on? Do I burn it? Do I throw it in the garbage? Do I keep it? So what I like to do is I like to write in my journal, so I end up keeping it. And so when I look back at it, like a few months from now, a few years from now, I get to see that I manifested it. I wrote that down and I manifested it. So you get to see like your own magic, like it's a documentation of your own manifestations. So I like to keep them. You can definitely burn them. That way it's like a symbolic of your intentions reaching the sky, or the heavens or the universe, whatever. Or you can throw it away. A lot of people, for them, throwing it away is good because it's like a symbol of detachment. Like, okay, I wrote it down, I'm gonna throw it away. I'm not attached to it. So it's whatever you feel like doing. You can burn it, you can keep it, you can throw it away, whatever you want to do. Question number 5, can I write it different times in one day or 55 times in one sitting? You want to write it 55 times in one sitting, just because you're putting so much focus and thought and attention, so much of your energy into it when you sit down and write it 55 times. There's a power in that. So you want to do in one sitting, you want to write it 55 times. But you can definitely do it 55 times in the morning and then 55 times at night if you feel like doing that. Which comes to question number 6. What time should I write my manifestations. Nighttime, daytime, or morning. You can write it whenever you want to. I like to write it in the morning, or I like to write it at nighttime, just because those are times in the morning I like to focus my thoughts on like something that I want to attract. And at nighttime, I love writing in my journals, my gratitude journals. Like, I love doing manifesting at nighttime. There's such a power at night that like you can feel, for me at least. So I love doing it at nighttime, but you can do it whenever you want to, whenever you feel like it. And the last question, question number 7, is can we do 2 intentions in one day? Yes, you can. You can definitely do 2 intentions in one day. Just make sure that you're doing one intention per 55 times that you're writing, because it's just, you're focusing all your attention in it at once, and it's more powerful. So if you guys have more questions, leave them in the comments down below, and then maybe I could do a part 2 and answer more of your guys' questions. And stay tuned for 55 times 5 for money and 55 times 5 for love. Those videos are coming up, and I have a bunch more law of attraction videos on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.